Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fixin Two. In today's video, we are going to be putting a retro sound stereo system in the F350 dually. Let's get to it. If you guys watched our video on the C10, where we put retro sound speakers in there, the kick panels on the sides, retro sound made like a custom panel to hold a speaker. But on the 60s F-Series, RETROSOUND didn't make anything for that. So, what we went with instead, to keep the look of the truck, looking right, we got these speakers and put them in the back. We made some bracketry and put those there. We dry fitted the seat to make sure we had clearance, and we do. So that's all good. My grandfather did not want the boom booms, so we're just doing speakers this time.
There you go. Watch your shoulders. Yep.
So I made an observation, Harrison. I've made an observation, Harrison. I think you're wearing the same shirt.
Oh yes, he
is. He's wearing the same
shirt
as he was wearing in the C10 video.
Same shirt.
It's a little bit tighter. Sleeves are a little bit shorter. I think
Did
it's the
I
same shirt.
Drop that where I think I dropped that.
Is that gone to be with Jesus?
It got resurrected.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
3 days later? Less than 3 days
3
later.
minutes later.
3 seconds later.
Seconds.
I can't do this.
Just imagine if the seat was in the way.
Would have been even easier.
That's why I took the seat out.
Here we go. Out with you. Out with you.
Off leaving.
Anything else?
Oh, my arms are shaking.
Core, work that core.
Oh.
Okay, that's a blooper.
Nothing put on. Yeah, it does. It's right up there. Okay, I guess you're gonna decode what that date is.
Where's it made?
Is it a Ford product?
Made in Malaysia. Yeah.
Made in Malaysia.
Ford.
So-
It's not made in Malaysia. It'll be made in the USA.
5TB.
You'd have to-
B might be
If you decode that.
AB. A, B, C, D, D is...
We know that's not right.
Hold on a second. D is B. So D is 7 Bs. A, B, C... A, B, C,
Oh, my word.
D.
Your ears are smoking.
A, B,
He doesn't know
A,
his
B,
own
C,
yet.
D. D is 70s.
Homeschooler.
C is 60s. So it's 50s. No, that's not right either. Never mind. I'm gonna shut up.
Yeah, stop.
Oh, it's for the front.
That's how it likes to screen up?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Now I gotta figure out how to get that off. How do I get that off?
It might take a... Look underneath it and make sure it's not it's not screwed in. Because those screws you just took off the face
hello.
might be all it is. And it may just be a swift snatch and it might pop off. It may not.
It ought to.
Well, use the other end. Use the other end.
Nice.
That's cool.
That's a keeper.
Well, is that blue back there too?
Yeah.
So they took the.
No,
Did
yeah.
they take all that off? They took it off. when
Well,
they
there's a
painted.
red underneath it, but
Well,
red could be primer.
This is all painted. It wasn't red to begin with. I mean, it wasn't blue to begin with. It was red to match the Wimbledon white. So they took the face off to paint it.
Well, can I get a rag so I can clean it up?
Yep.
See what you're doing. What am I doing?
Oh, you're destroying it. Polish a turd.
What? Well, you can still get some sound out of that.
That's a speaker.
Yeah. Paper cone.
Made in America?
This is made in A, B, C, D, 70s. No, that's not right either. Never mind.
Quit with those ABC. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I do. Morning.
Really?
Silent on set, please. My abs are gonna explode. Ouch, my back popped. Nope, readjust.
Oh my goodness. Do I need to get in here too?
Ain't enough room in here. Bingo. Nope, is that the right hole or is that the wrong one?
Just having a full-blown conversation with yourself.
Yep,
That's good.
that's how I roll. Sweetie.
So I routed the wires up
Goes to the
around the gas tank up behind this void. There's actually a lip here that I was able to put the wire in. I ran it all the way across the top, and then actually had to make a little bit of hole right there to make it go down the A-pillar. So it goes down the A-pillar, and then I found another
80.
void. I thought I was going to have to come out here with it, but I actually found another void up in there that actually dumps out behind the dash up in here. So pull the wire down the A-pillar and across underneath the dash. So I've got that one done. I had to lengthen it because the wire that came with didn't have enough, so I had to splice into it and make it longer. All right, and that's that one over there. So I'll just run that one up underneath the dash over to the radio, and Harrison's working on the starter right now. Got some engine stuff to put back together so we can have power to test it before we get too far with it.
Okay guys, we got the radio all mounted up and now we're gonna see how it sounds. Well guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Alright,
Actually,
guys.
hang on.
Alright guys, it sounds really good in here. Where's that? Okay, I'm ready.
Still going.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, it sounds really good in here. Alright, like like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.
Nope. More than that.
What do you want me to say? It looks good. It does sound good. It just. Are you still going?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I know what you're doing.